Hi, welcome back to my channel Maison Network. Today I just bought the fossil Flynn automatic watch. Let's look into before we unboxing, let's look into some of the pictures and also descriptions. So this is it. Okay. You can see it's from Fossil. Okay, that's it. And it's normal price is 1,159, and on Shopee I bought it for 695.40, like that. And if you look in the description, it's more. Okay. Right. Okay, that's it. I'll leave the link below if you're interested to buy. Okay, so let's unboxing. So when I bought it from Shopee, they come with this kind of box. Okay, which is a fossil box. So let's unboxing. Open. Fossil. Okay. Inside the box. Okay, let's put it aside. So first of all, so this is the receipt that you have to retain it for the international 2 years warranty. It says that. Okay. And then this is the box. So let's open the box. Open. Side. Below. On the side. On the side. The side. So it's a tin. Let's open it. Okay. Nothing here. It's a tin. And the manual. So there's about warranty and then instruction, and so let's look into the English instruction. Phonograph. Water resistant. That's it. And the other, this is the languages, and this is the warranty. Okay, then so let's put aside the booklet. Bring out. Okay. Okay. This is the watch. Flynn automatic watch. So so yeah, some of it. See, we got this. The type. Just lift the watch. Still in the plastic. You can see it's running. On the side, behind, on the side, the leather. It's a real leather. I smell it. It's nice. So if we try to put it on the wrist, it would be like this big. It's big, which my favorite. It looks very manly and it's automatic. It's nice to have it without battery, and you have to wind it if it's not moving, but if you keep using it, so you don't need to wind it. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.